Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer games with Steam, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring games with Steam, first, ensure that both computers are connected to the internet. Open the Steam application on the source computer. Log in to your Steam account if you haven't already. Navigate to your game library by clicking on Library at the top of the window. Identify the game you want to transfer. Right-click on the game, then select Properties. In the Properties window, choose the Local Files tab. Click on Move Install Folder. A list of your available storage drives will appear. Select the drive where you want to move the game. Click on Move Folder to initiate the transfer process. Wait for the transfer to complete. Once the game is moved, open the Steam client on the destination computer. Log into your Steam account on the destination computer. Navigate to the Library section again. Find the game you just transferred. If the game does not automatically appear, click on Install for that game. Steam will verify the existing files and download any necessary updates. After installation, you can start playing the game on the new computer. For future game transfers, repeat the same steps as needed. Always ensure both Steam clients are up to date for a smoother experience. Remember that game transfers may vary based on game size and internet speeds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.